Welcome super students. In this video, we will learn on how to submit an idea. Firstly, we congratulate you on completing the student modules. On the top left corner, you have the 3-line icon. Press on the learning icon. Here, as you scroll down, you see that the launch ideas page button is now enabled. Please notice that if this is in gray color, it means that you've not completed your student modules yet. So we suggest that you complete the student modules and come back for the idea submission process. Once you're ready, press on Explore Problem Categories button. Here, you can see that there are 5 problem categories, that is, water and sanitation, environment, education, health and well-being, and COVID-19. Here, each of these categories has some of the problems specified. These are just to give you an idea. Please notice that these are not the only problems that exist in each of these categories. Also, these are not the only categories where a problem can exist. Once you're ready, press on the back button. Now, as you scroll down, press on the Launch Ideas page. Here, you can see that there are 3 videos that you're required to watch before you proceed ahead with the idea submission process. Once you watch them, press on Add Idea Details. The first section is about team details. The school name and the team name are already entered here. Now, choose a problem category. Here, you have 5 of the problem categories which were mentioned earlier. If your problem does not fall in these 5 categories, press on Other. For now, I'll go with Health and Well-being. In the problem explanation box, please explain about the problem in detail. As you can see, the next button is not enabled. This is because you did not explain the problem in detail. Please explain the problem in about 100 words so that the evaluator has a fair understanding of the problem. Once you're ready, press on the next button. This will take you to the second section, which has information about the project. This will take you to the second section where you'll have to provide information about the project. Enter the title of the project. Please explain the idea in about 500 words so that the evaluator understands your project better. Please remember that you'll have to explain the problem, its causes and effects, and the solution that you have. Once you enter that, please enter feedback, if any, from your friends, parents, or from your teachers. Once you're ready, press on the next button. This will take you to the third section. Here, you're supposed to enter any learnings from the program. In this box, enter the learnings. In this box, enter the challenges that you faced during the program. In the reference URL box, you can provide any link to a YouTube link or to a G Drive link which has information on your project. Once you're ready, press on Save Idea Details button. This will submit your idea. Here, press on Upload Documents button. If you have any audio files, video files, or pictures of your storyboard or prototype or any working model videos, if any, please press on Choose Files and choose the file and save it over here. Once you choose a file, press on Upload Documents so that the documents are uploaded and gives a fair understanding for the evaluators. Once that is done, press on Continue Learning. Now, go to the bottom of page and press on Launch Ideas page. Here, press on My Ideas. As you can see, you can submit multiple ideas at a time. But remember that you'll have to submit only one idea for the final evaluation process. For that, choose on the idea that you want to submit. Here, press on Final Submission. Please remember that once you submit an idea, it will be submitted and it cannot be changed later. Here, you can see that there are multiple ideas. When you tap on an idea, you have the pencil icon. You can make any edits to an idea. You can add or delete any of the contents and press on Update Idea Details button. If you press on the eye icon, it will open like this the information of the project. Here, you can also export it to PDF folder. Also, you can upload your pictures using the cloud icon. Now, we'll see on how to submit an idea. Please remember that out of these multiple ideas, only one idea will be considered for final submission. And once you press on the final submission, you'll have a pop-up like this. Please remember that once you press on submit button over here, it will be submitted and it will be considered for final evaluation and no changes can be made after this. So please go with your team and also with your teacher before you press on submit button for final submission. Once this is done, this is how the idea submission process works on the student portal. Now, once you submit an idea, your download certificate button will be enabled, which is parallel to the start button. Please remember that this will be enabled only after you submit at least one idea. So thank you students, we eagerly await for your ideas.